spinnt es im Moment. Bekomme immer eine Fehlermeldung und dann kackt alles ab. Boah, das ist schon echt nervend an der PS. So immer wieder die Bugs und die Ausfälle und...
Okay, Chloe. I found some kind of hatch, but it's locked. I got this. I hope.
Let me know the second you need any help.
Ah, the good old days. I have to get through this monster padlock first. So many haystacks, so few needles.
Hier mit dem Haken.
Scope out the perimeter, Max. There has to be more here than this crate.
Oh, muss ich hier mehr als eine Kiste geben? Es gibt noch Fässer.
There's no way this rusty-ass button will activate these ropes or pulleys. Chloe, can you give me a hand?
Sidekick at your service.
Okay.
Up and away, Supermax.
I dig having minions.
Alter Motor ziehen. Ich Idiot. Warum? Ja, dann machen wir wohl.
That looks sturdy enough to stand on. Good evening, Doctor Who. Sorry.
Oh, jetzt erschreckt sie sich in sich. Ja.
Good evening, Doctor Who. Sorry.
Okay, gut. Dann fehlt mir noch das Skelett. Was war das andere? Hinter Gitter und ein Mond oder eine Sonne.
Nope. I can't pull this rope without tearing my flesh off. I need to hook this up to something heavier.
Something heavier? Ach so.
Max, use your rewind and get that motor back up there.
Ta-da! Hey, bist du mir?
Do not fall.
Also jetzt komm hier rüber. Das.
Tell me if you need any help.
Spul doch schneller.
So that didn't work at all.
Ja, toll. Wenn ich das vorhin gewusst hätte. So dumm.
Max Guyver strikes again. Good evening, Doctor Who. Sorry.
Habe ich jetzt trotzdem das Foto schon? Okay. Dann ist ja gut. Alle hopp. Und alle hat. So. Dann haben wir das.
Damn, this is heavy.
Und du bist einfach nur schwach.
What
Okay, die ist
is
auch verdammt
this?
groß.
Jackpot. Do I
Ach
even
so,
need to say
sicher
how
vom
weird
Keller.
this is?
You just did. Who built this kind of place?
A Prescott, of course.
Entweder ist es ein Schutzbunker oder es ist ein... Wie soll ich das sagen?
This bunker
Okay,
is so
okay.
surreal.
Okay, ansehen, ansehen.
This is too heavy to break, so I'll need a code. First a padlock, then a digicode? Someone really did.
Boah. Ja, jetzt ist gut fraglich. ...1903... Ja, scheiße.
Doesn't want visitors.
Und wie soll ich jetzt das rausfinden?
Wow, sir. Talk about home on the range. I guess the Prescotts were just born bastards.
Nix.
Even Harry Aaron Prescott was into selfies.
Ja, warum kann ich jetzt selbst nicht wieder nachschauen?
I wish Warren could have seen that physics trick.
Nee, das bringt mir eh auch nix. ist wirklich verdammt fraglich. Puh. Warum habe ich auch bloß nichts Nützliches? Ba. Ja, ich habe doch keine Ahnung.
Now that's a serious door. Oops. Bad code. Oh, no. It didn't work. Pink. You locked it, dumbass. This is too heavy to break, so I'll need a code.
Okay.
Now that's a serious door. Where's Gandalf when I need him?
Ist echt fraglich. Okay, ich schaue mir das kurz nach im Internet.
Come on, Max. Break that digicode. The only reason to build a secret bunker under an abandoned farm is to do bad shit.
Okay, es ist 542.
Some numbers look faded, so I just have to get lucky.
Aber okay, warum?
Yes! I thought that only worked in the movies.
Naja, egal.
Open sesame.
Lieber so, als jetzt irgendeine halbe Stunde oder noch länger hier dran zu bleiben.
Stocked and ready for the
Dann ist es
apocalypse.
schließlich auch
Must have cost
schon
a
3:30
fortune.
Uhr morgens.
Come on.
Nach der Arbeit natürlich. habe ich echt keinen Bock drauf.
More survivalist supplies. Look at these cans.
Mushrooms?
David must shop at the same store. Water supplies. It's like in David's garage bunker. Whoa. This says it all about Nathan. He needs help.
Okay, krass. So Leute, ich muss kurz auf Toilette. Bin gleich zurück. So Leute, da bin ich wieder.
Jesus, I already hate this place.
Duct tape in a bunker is always a bad sign.
Ja, schon.
Keep searching, Chloe.
I guess Nathan needs the most expensive printer in the world.
Ist das ein Drucker?
That son of a bitch.
Okay.
Talk about tortured.
The Prescott's in creepy art.
I've never seen so much pricey equipment before.
Okay. Und
So who's using this
Fotostudio.
fancy tripod?
Komisch.
Somebody makes their whiskey.
Jetzt wird's langsam richtig.
These newspapers are all about Rachel and Kate.
Ja, eigentlich nur eine ging um Kate.
This must be the crap that Nathan gets from Frank. Needles. Gross.
Ja, das ist wirklich ein Junkie. Okay.
That's an original signed illustration. Fits perfect in here.
Ja, krass.
Look at all this weird shit.
Da kann ich auch auf dem PC zugreifen. Jupp.
Whoa. What is going on between Nathan and his father?
Oh.
Let's see what's in here. Oh my God. No.
Ooh.
Let's see what's in here. Oh my God. No.
Kann ich jetzt ein Foto? Warum nicht? Okay. Also den PC kann ich nicht mehr ausschalten. Was für eine Kacke. Rachel and Kate.
Come on, let's see what this shit is all about.
We are. Okay. A binder marked Victoria, but it's empty.
Look, the next one says Kate.
Oh no, Kate. No.
God, I should have killed that bastard back there.
Kate wasn't the first. All those binders are filled with other victims. Victoria has to be next. Nathan must be planning to dose her tonight at the Vortex Club party.
Rachel. This can't be real. These are all posed shots, right? Right?
Chloe, look at her face. She's out of it.
Maybe Nathan paid her a shitload of cash to do this. She probably would have.
I don't think so. Why is he putting her in the ground like that? Where?
The junkyard. Max, we have to find that spot now. Then we can see what he did. There's no way she's dead. No way. She posed for those pictures, Max. I know it. Please, let's go.
No.
Oh my God. Rachel. Kate. All these files. Ah, the Apocalypse Entertainment System. Ah, the Apocalypse Entertainment System.
Nur das? Okay.
This picture is framed different. Rachel is awake and fucking furious. Rachel is passed out and she has something in her mouth. What happened to her? This shot is so staged. I can't believe it's real. I can't.
Wieso ist das hinten?
Kate looks so doped up. She has no idea she's being posed. At least Kate was asleep through all this bullshit.
So, kann ich das zurückspulen? Warum nicht? Ich will, dass die scheiß Akten wieder im Schrank sind. Oh je. Die sind ja so brutal unvorsichtig. Na komm, wir durchsuchen alles und lassen es einfach so, dass jeder gleich sieht, dass jemand hier war. Sehr klug. Echt.
Chloe, slow down! Wait for me!
I know exactly where I'm going. Look, this is it. This is it. Are you gonna help me, Max?
Chloe, stop!
Look.
Please, no.
Oh, that smell.
Rachel! Oh, Rachel, no, please not her!
Oh fuck. Nicht schon wieder?
Chloe. Rachel, why?
I'm sorry, Chloe. I'm so sorry.
I loved her so much. How can she be dead? What kind of world does this? Who does this?
Aber ist das wirklich so? Oh, krass. Echt? Kann das sein, dass sie echt unten vergraben ist? Nee, kann ich mir kaum
I hope Nathan
vorstellen.
enjoys his last party.
Chloe, we can go right to the cops. We have proof.
Fuck the police. Rachel wanted us to find her. So we could get real justice. And revenge. The Prescotts have had this coming for 100 years, and nobody is gonna get in my way. Especially with your help. Right?
I'm with you to the end, Chloe. You know that.
Oh shit! This is like that eclipse.
You're right. Look at the outline.
I can't tell if they're different.
What is that?
It can't be two moons.
Jesus, Chloe, look up at the sky.
Possible.
Beautiful. I don't give a shit. The world is ending. Cool.
You're not listening. Something major is going down.
That's right. Nathan Prescott is going down.
Oh je. Sie wissen ja nicht
Welcome
mal,
to
ob
the
das
end of the
überhaupt
world, ladies.
Rachel ist.
I'm glad you decided to escort me.
You look really good, Warren. Are you alright after today?
I'm glad you stopped me. Nathan is dangerous.
He's totally drunk.
Where is he?
I didn't see him at the dorm again. I was held up in my room.
Dude, have you been drinking?
Well, if you consider half a beer drinking.
Let's go, Max.
Hey. I know this is a bad time, but can I get one picture? I've been feeling like this might be actually the end of the world, so I want to have something for prosperity.
Well, I don't blame you, Warren.
I know, I'm a pain in the booty. Just one picture.
Action.
We've got no time for this shit. Come on, Max.
Sorry. I just wanted to feel like a normal student after this week's ultra-violence. I never hit anybody like that before. I was always the one getting my ass kicked.
Hey, we still need your expert help. If you see Nathan, text me immediately, okay? And do not let him see you.
He won't. I know how to be invisible here.
Not to me. Text soon.
Mal schauen, was noch alles so passiert.
Hi, can I take your coat or anything? No, I didn't see any tablet with cat pics.
Okay, Chloe, where the hell are you?
I hate touching all these clothes. It is kind of bad. Plus, some of the Vortex Club always give me attitude. Stella, that's what they're here for.
Stella!
Hi, Stella.
Hey, Max. Welcome to the end of the world. Do you want me to check anything in?
No thanks, Stella. Have you seen Nathan yet?
No, thank God. That boy creeps me out. Wait, some girl just asked about Nathan before you came in.
What girl?
She had blue hair, dressed like a punk. I've seen her putting up those Rachel Amber posters. I'm stuck here, so I'm sorry I can't help you.
So why are you working at a Vortex Club party? I didn't think you wanted to be a member.
Screw that. I'm here for the job.
Did you notice anything unusual about the Vortex Club tonight?
Yeah, I noticed they don't give a shit about Kate Marsh. I'm glad for the job, but I think Principal Wells should have canceled the party. Guess I'm not cool enough.
Yes, you are, Stella. You're smart, honest, and you bust your ass for Blackwell. I hope everything turns out your way in the end.
Well, thank you, Max. I really appreciate that. Hey, your face looks so intense. Are you okay?
No, I'm actually not okay. I just need to find Nathan. And don't get too close if you see him.
Hell no. This is homework, not a party. I'll text you if I spy him. Good luck.
I hope so. Okay. Gut, war's das? Jo, sieht immer da aus, ne? Willkommen in der Tower.
I love this song!
Okay.
We need to find Nathan and take him down.
And what is the point of
So
this party
sexy.
exactly?
Hey, kid.
Hello, Brooke.
Max, I didn't expect to see you at a Vortex Club party.
I didn't expect that either, but I really need to find Nathan. Have you...
No, I haven't seen him. And I'm not looking for him, so I most likely won't tonight. I just hate that scrub. And his club.
You're not the only one. Maybe this party will be the end of the Vortex Club.
Then I don't have to pretend like I care anymore.
Have you seen Warren tonight?
Why? You're the one going out with him.
Brooke, enough. I am sorry Warren asked me to the movies, but you don't need to give me an attitude. I'd like to think I'm your friend.
I know. I get salty when things don't go my way. I'm selfish while you go on a roof to help save your friend.
You're not selfish, Brooke. You're just trying to live your life without all this bullshit. Like all of us here.
You seem so wise and kind of invincible this week. I think that snow and eclipse gave you superpowers. Check to see if you can fly.
Only with your drone. By the way, did you see that crazy double moon out there earlier?
Max, if I saw a double moon out there, I would assume it really was the end of the world.
Well, the night is still young, Brooke.
And so are we, Max. So let's plan a drone date next week.
Okay. Komm. Will ich nach Mars schnell quatschen.
Hello, Brooke.
Max.
I didn't...
No.
Ja. Ja, das war gut.
You seem so wild.
I don't think having superpowers would make my life easier. With great power comes great bullshit.
I don't know. It would be pretty kick-ass to battle supervillains over Arcadia Bay.
Well, the night is still young, Brooke.
And so are we, Max.
Okay. Nein, das hat wohl nichts gebracht.
Energy drinks, soda, energy drinks. I know somebody has to lose. There's Courtney drinking alone, without Taylor or Victoria. I wonder why.
Ja, warum nur anziehen?
See Warren kicking Nathan's ass. I just wish
I
someone
almost
would
didn't see
kick
you.
Nathan. Max, you're the only person I don't mind seeing right now.
I was looking for Nathan.
I've avoided almost everybody here tonight. Why are you looking for Nathan?
I want to make sure he's not gonna do anything tonight.
Like what happened to Kate. I have dreams that somebody finally kicks his ass one day.
Luke, sometimes dreams come true. Today I saw Warren give Nathan an epic headbutt.
Yes, give it up for Brother Warren. Now all we have to do is drive all these goddamn Prescott vampires out of town.
I think Sean Prescott wants to drive all of us out of town. Or into Canna States.
I met him once at a Bigfoot's game. Mean fucking bastard. Oh man, he explains Nathan.
Ja, schön.
Preach it, Brother Luke. Okay, I have to get going. Thanks for seeing me.
No, thank you for helping Kate and for keeping it real. Peace out.
No one seems to know where Nathan is.
Still trying to lay low here, Max.
Ich rette dich.
Alyssa, incoming! I'm on. Of course you stepped up to protect me from another humiliating moment. Thank you, Max.
Aha. I'm the holy angel. Nice.
Bigfoot on otter action.
Warte. Jetzt muss ich schnell
I'm surprised to see you here.
Hi, Mels.
Look at this. I'm at my first and only Vortex Club party.
I know. This week was so shitty that I just wanted to be around a bunch of people trying to have a good time. Even if I hate most of them.
I think Rachel Amber would agree.
I didn't know her, but I hope she's safe and sound.
Yeah. I'll talk to you later, Alyssa.
Max, you look kind of tense. Maybe you should go crash. You had a tough week too in Cave, plus having to save my ass all the time.
Alyssa, I have to find Nathan.
Nee, warte.
Have you seen him?
I really don't know, but surely in the VIP section, like it's a New York club.
Thanks, Alyssa. Watch out for yourself.
Why, when I have Max Caulfield at my side? Good luck.
Okay, nee, komm. Das war kacke.
I'm surprised.
Vortex.
Victoria doesn't seem to hassle you like she does me. Or Kate.
She must know I'd punch her in the face. I probably should, just for Vortex Club posterity.
Okay, das war ja noch beschissen.
No doubt. But I actually have to go now. Talk to you later, Alyssa.
I'm surprised to see you here.
Oh, fuck. Sorry für den Lärm.
I'm at my first and only Vortex Club.
I know. This week was so... Max...
Alyssa, I have to Thanks.
Why? What?
Nee, ist doch kacke. Fuck, sorry.
I'm surprised to see...
I'm surprised that Blackwell is having a party after Kate almost jumped off a roof. I guess people are happy that Kate is okay now and we can party again.
I'm just happy she's drawing again. She seems much better, and her mother is being so supportive for a change. Kate deserves that.
I saw that the video got taken down, so I hope nobody posted anywhere else. Is that naive?
Look how fast people here forgot about Kate. They'll find some new Blackwell drama and forget about her video. So it goes.
Look at this. I think we're... Alyssa...
Okay, das war jetzt besser. Gibt's hier noch irgendwas?
Ah, the wit of the Vortex Club.
Gibt's hier noch irgendein Foto? Aber nicht, ne? Aber das kommt schon noch geil. Mit meinen
Yes,
Pupillen.
you do suck.
Excuse me, but I'm going in.
Sorry, but this is the VIP section. Members only. Okay?
Sorry, but I'm on the list. Okay?
I know that Max Caulfield is not on any list for the Vortex Club. Nice try.
Listen.
No, you listen. Courtney is supposed to be the VIP gatekeeper, not me. So please go.
I need to find a way to enter this bullshit club. What would a shitty party be without glow sticks? I'm so not impressed by this VIP crap.
Okay. Okay, was kann ich dann machen?
Hey, Courtney. How are you?
Max, our guest star arrives fashionably late. Say bonsoir to the end of the world. Even though you flaked on my party makeover, you still get special access to the Vortex Club VIP lounge.
You better let your minion know, since she won't let me pass.
Oh, that little asshole just made her last mistake. She thinks she's Victoria. Bye-bye. Now, let's go make an official VIP entrance, Max Factor. Get it? Hey, Sarah, do you know that I personally put Max's name on the list? So you decide to block her from coming in while I'm taking a break? You're not in charge here.
Wait, I just...
Oh my god, you're done. And you're off the list permanently. Welcome to the Vortex Club.
Ich bin jetzt Vortex Club Mitglied. Ja, ich will zuerst hier in die Tür.
Hey, Max. What are you doing in here? If I get sick now, I can drink more later.
Yes.
I'm not in the mood, but still, this could be an interesting shot.
Dia-Show. Okay, jetzt brauche ich nur noch das Gefängnis, ne? Justin.
Yo, Maximum Overdrive. About time you got here to save this lame rave. Wanna get ripped?
You look pretty ripped already, Justin. And not happy. Why did you even come tonight?
Where else could I go in Arcadia Bay on a Thursday night? Besides, Dana is here.
Dana?
She's not with me. So yes, this party sucks.
You're obviously not cool with Trevor dating Dana.
I tried to front like I was. When I saw them together, I came over to cry like a little bitch.
No, it's more like somebody who's in pain.
Oh,
I'm sorry, Justin. But you're a cool, considerate guy, and you're gonna find somebody just as cool. Minus the drama.
Max, I know I'm twisted, but your face looks so fucking intense. And your voice sounds different. You okay? How about a quick dab?
No, I'm cool, Justin. And I have to get going. Maybe you should go chill somewhere else.
Fucking A, Maximus. You're right. I'm only torturing myself here. Plus, I'm too loaded. It's time to get my board and grind. No, seriously, I'm out of here. Oh, when everything isn't so fuzzy.
Aber das war kacke.
Yo. What?
Hab nur eines auswählen können.
Speaking of, have you seen Nathan?
Oh, he should be freaking out in the VIP lounge with that whore text club. Fucking hate those snobby douchebags. Especially Nathan. That dude is gonna go on a rampage soon.
You might be right, so stay away from him tonight, okay? Spread the word.
Max, I know I'm
Okay, das hat mir auch nur eins gegeben.
Yo.
Kann ich wohl gar nicht alles auch auswählen, ne?
Rachel Amber won't be coming either.
Damn, I was thinking about Rachel and Chloe tonight. If they showed up together right now, shit would end. Rachel could always shut Victoria down.
Good for Rachel. I wish I could have seen that.
Max, I know I'm twisted, but you're
Okay.
Yo, Maximum Overdrive. About time you got here to save this lame rave. Wanna get ripped?
You look pretty ripped already, Justin. And not happy. Why did you even come tonight?
Where else could I go in Arcadia Bay on a Thursday night? Besides, Dana is here. Just not with me. So yes, this party's
You're up. No.
Matt. Fucking it.
Das nehme ich einfach so.
No, seriously, I'm out of here. Oh, and everything isn't so fuzzy.
The tide is turning. I'd like to tear every one of these things down. Chloe must be around. Ugh, gross. How did this even get here? Good night, sweet prince.
For like an hour.
Maybe you're not the only one who has to get
Somebody's
sick.
either having sex or throwing up. Or both. Ugh, Max.
Aber was ist denn das? Jungs und Mädels? Okay, das war's wohl, ne? Ach, hier hat's noch einen. Dana need a baby daddy.
Apparently, Blackwell has a severe toilet paper fetish. Not anymore.
Okay, das war's wohl. Das ist nicht das Fenster vom Hof. Das ist wirklich gut. Das fällt mir.
Justin said somebody saw two moons outside. Why, Justin?
Why isn't Courtney guarding the wrist for the VIP section? Nathan is the Vortex Club, so his ass has to be here tonight. Oh. Give me a break. Surprise, Hayden is trashed.
What's up, Hayden?
Look. Up in the sky, it's Supermax here to save the party.
Have you seen Nathan?
I just vaped some dank OG buds, so I can barely see you. Or these hotties next to me. You want a hit?
No. I want to find Nathan.
Me too! He's supposed to be bringing some special party favors. I hope at the party you actually planned a party at the party.
Nothing. So, has anybody here seen Nathan?
I guess you have to go ask everybody here, or you can sit down and take a quick hit.
What about Victoria?
Go ask her yourself. I would, but like I said, I'm fucking wrecked.
Maybe you better take a visit.
Whatever. I'm in this world to have fun. Try it sometime, Max. I finally get you and Dana to come out to a Vortex Club party, but you just want to lecture me? Gee, thanks, Mr. Madsen.
How much fun did Kate have at your last party? Listen, Haley. Just watch out for Nathan tonight.
I think that's your job, Max. Come back when you're ready to have fun. Is that you, Max? You look all fuzzy. Wow.
Nice to meet you.
Max, look at you go, girl.
Taylor, have you seen Nathan yet?
No, that's fine by me. He's been getting, like, too buggy and kind of scary. Victoria might know.
What does Victoria say about that?
She blows it off, but Vic is close with Nathan. They're more like brother-sister. Or something. She really cares about him.
Is this why you want to be in a Vortex Club?
No, Max. I'm like far from home at a great school. I want to learn things, make friends, and party. But when Kate was on the roof, I knew I'd gone too far.
Kate was dosed at the last Vortex Club party by Nathan. So, you should avoid any drink here tonight.
Trust me, I won't even drink my own water when Nathan is around now. He's a pharmacy simulator.
I do have to go now. Look out for yourself, Taylor. And give my best to your mom.
Oh, thanks, Max. She's doing great after her surgery. I'm glad to know you're looking out for us, too.
That oxygen kit might come in handy if somebody binges. Chips and crackers. Spare no expense. So the Vortex VIPs get real out. I know Victoria is next on Nathan's hit list. Should I warn her?
Real fucking nice.
No, Logan, you are not getting any action tonight. Or, I'm glad Dana ended up with Trevor.
You dance worse than my dad.
I love that Trevor doesn't care how goofy he dances in the VIP section.
Logan, can I talk to you for a second?
Max, all right. I'll talk after you shake that thing.
Oh, no. Have you seen Nathan?
I can't even get Victoria or Taylor to twerk. And you want to hang with Nathan? Why?
Business.
You should talk to his dad then. Bro has got more money than God, and he spends it on the Vortex Club, not the losers over there in the cheap seats.
Logan, this is a swimming pool. In other words, you haven't seen me.
Ask Victoria. She always knows where he is. How did you ever want to see? You're so cute, and you never really talk.
Talk about what?
The next Bigfoot's game. We could go out to the field. I could show you some moves. Give you a touchdown.
Logan, don't make me hurt.
Damn. That was way more exciting than a dance. Catch you later, Max.
That's hot. Sorry, Max. Vortex Club members only.
Sorry, I'm on the guest list.
I'm taking you off.
Go fuck yourself, Victoria. I don't have time for this bullshit.
Real cute, Max. And after I apologized to you the other day.
Do you even have a clue what's going on at Blackwell? Kate Marsh tried to kill herself in front of you. And me. Everybody here.
That's not my fault, Max. Don't you even try to blame me.
I don't blame you, Victoria, but you know Kate had a church group and that she didn't party. So why did you send out that video?
Oh, God. I swear we weren't even going to do it. Then we had some wine and got stupid.
It's more than stupid. It's mean. Hateful. Kate never did anything to you. And that didn't stop you from taking one last video of her on the roof.
I deleted that from my phone. Maybe I'm not her friend, but I didn't get off on Kate attempting suicide. I'm not evil, Max.
I believe you, Victoria, but I don't understand you.
That makes both of us, Max. I always feel like I have to overcompensate. For what? I have no clue. I'm only here to become a photographer, not president.
You have talent, Victoria. You don't have to push people out of your way.
You don't understand. My parents own a gallery. I know how this art game has to be played. It's brutal.
No, it's art. You don't have to play their way. Mr. Jefferson doesn't talk that way, and he's famous.
On point, Max. Thanks for admitting again that I have some talent. Not that I think I always do.
I don't either, but that's the choice you made.
Hard to believe, but I don't always make the best choices. Do you think it's like fate we're not supposed to be friends?
Good. I have real friends. I wouldn't want a fake one.
Oh, right. You're the faker, acting like you cared when I was covered in that paint.
Who do you think set up the paint can to fall? It wasn't Samuel, dumbass.
You did that? You bitch! You could have killed me with that fucking can! I almost got that freak Samuel fired!
And that would have been bad. You're right, Victoria, for once.
You actually think you're better than me? No fucking way.
Guess I'll never be a member of the Vortex Club.
No, bitch, you won't.
Victoria, enough of this high school bullshit. We're adults now. So listen to me. Your life is in serious danger. I know you're close to Nathan, but he is truly unstable and dangerous. He did drug Kate at that party so he could take her someplace dark.
Oh my god. And I'm the drama queen?
Touché. But I am not fucking around here.
Sorry, but no. No way. Nathan is like one of my best friends. Yes, he takes serious meds, but that's not his fault. His family treats him like a total freak just because he has little meltdowns.
They're not little anymore. They're deadly. I don't care if you hate me or not, but you have to believe me.
I don't believe anything you say. You're full of shit. Oh, hi, I'm Max Caulfield, and I'm so sensitive that butterflies make me cry.
Now, will you listen?
No, I won't. You're just pissed because you didn't enter a photo in the contest and that Mr. Jefferson is going to pick me. A real artist would have busted ass to win, but you just want to take your little retro selfies. That is so fucking lame and lazy, Max. Just go find a community college.
Victoria, please don't do this. Especially after what happened with Kate. Can't you see I'm serious?
That's your problem, Max. This is a party, and it's the end of the world, so I am going to get so wasted even you won't bother me anymore. I'll let Nathan know if he finally shows up. Adios.
Au revoir.
Nee, kann ich jetzt echt nicht zurückspielen? Ach doch.
Okay, I tried. I mean, she's not gonna believe me over her Vortex Club partner.
Nee, das war wirklich nicht gut.
That's not my... That... You... On... Hard...
Why the hell not? We're both into art and photography. We're both kind of weird and pretentious. If we hung out without attitude, we'd get along fine.
I almost asked you to hang out. You said my photos were Abaddon-esque. Then I remembered who I was.
You should have asked me. It would have been cool to compare photo notes.
Maybe we're too much alike.
You might be right.
Well, Max Caulfield, there's still time for you to get in the Vortex Club.
I actually hope so, Victoria.
Why do you say it like that?
Victoria, listen to me. Your life is in serious danger. I know Nathan is your friend, but he is truly unstable and dangerous. He did drug Kate at that party so he could take her someplace dark.
What? Nice try, Max, but I don't believe you. And why would he do that?
That I don't know yet. But it was enough to make Kate want to die. And I think you're next.
Max, that is crazy. Nathan is like one of my best friends. Yes, he takes serious meds, but that's not his fault. His family treats him like a total freak just because he has little meltdowns.
They're not little anymore. They're deadly. I don't care if you hate me or not, but you have to believe me.
You could have been a major bitch to me when I got hit with that paint, and I deserved it. Max, I don't hate you. I actually think you're one of the coolest people at Blackwell. Weird, but cool. You just don't know it yet. Maybe I'm jealous because you don't give a shit what anybody thinks, and I do. To be honest, Nathan has been freaking me out lately. He's not here, and I haven't seen him.
Just make sure you stay away from him. And stick close to your friends tonight, okay?
I let you boss me around this one time. And I have other people I can go to for protection. Thanks for telling me this, Max. If what you said is true, then you be careful too.
I've got my own protection.
Text me if you need anything.
I will. Thanks, Victoria.
Au revoir.
Ja, so ist es schon besser.
Maybe there's hope yet for Victoria and me. I'm glad I warned her. I hope she's okay.
That's... Yay, Max! I can't believe you showed up. Why didn't you tell me? We could have dressed up together.
As you can tell by my outfit, I was in a hurry. Dana, have you seen Nathan around?
Hell no, I've been dancing with Trevor. Come on and dance with us. Look at Trevor trying to bust a move.
You guys look really happy together.
I think we are. He's so different than Logan. We actually talk about life. And he knows how to be safe.
I hear you, Dana. But I want you to avoid Nathan if you see him, okay?
I will if I want to have fun. I still feel sorry for him. He needs help, but not from his family.
What do you know about his dad, Sean Prescott?
Rich. And rich. And a dickhead, according to Nathan. The Prescotts can't buy a happy family or a happy club.
Sounds like you're ready for a change.
I don't need any club to be cool or have friends. Look at you. Plus, I like hanging with Trevor and his skater friends. No drama.
That sounds like a plan, Dana. I'm glad Trevor is with you tonight.
Thanks. The boy cannot dance, though. Look at that. I heard they couldn't let Kate Marsh in Vortex Club.
Zachary, if you mess with Juliet... Zachary, if you mess with Juliet, I will kick your balls on a loop. The Vortex Club actually hired DJ Doom for the party. Kate almost dead. Rachel dead. Enter the Vortex Club. Look at these entitled assholes. They don't give a shit about anybody. If that tornado came right now, I would just sit here and watch for a while. But I have to make sure Chloe doesn't go on her own rampage. I hate feeling this way. dark and angry.
Okay.
It's okay. Hey.
Okay. Holy shit.
There you are. Chloe, Nathan isn't here. Nobody has seen him tonight.
He's definitely not upstairs or in the locker.
Damn. Maybe he's hiding in his dorm.
Then let's bail. Nathan can't hide anymore.
So, you made it, Rex.
Oh, hey, Mr. Jefferson.
Are you both okay? You look like you're on a mission.
Oh, I was just looking for Nathan.
Uh-huh. I didn't know you were pals with him. I haven't seen him since this afternoon. He seemed pretty upset. I think he's still quite upset over the whole Kate situation.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let's talk later, Max. I have to announce the winner of the contest. I do wish you would have entered. You have to build up that resume and portfolio, but I know you will.
Thanks. I hope so.
Okay, excuse me. I'm almost on.
Let's get the hell out of here, Max.
Okay, everybody calm down. Thank you. I appreciate it. Look, I don't want to get in the way of the party, but it's time to announce the winner of the Everyday Heroes contest. Before I do, I want to thank everybody who entered their photograph and everybody who thought about entering. Now this is the most important step in being an artist. Sharing your work with the world. All of you represent Blackwell Academy and everything our school stands for. As far as I'm concerned, you're all everyday heroes. The envelope, please. And the winner is... Oh my, what a shocker. Victoria Chase.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jefferson. It was your incredible photography that brought me to Blackwell, and I hope I can live up to your name and fame. I also want to thank all the students for being so dedicated in their pursuit. And I'd like to dedicate this prize to Kate Marsh. She is the real everyday hero of Blackwell, and I can't wait for her to come back. Thank you.
You suck, Victoria.
Victoria won. Big surprise. I can't believe she blackmailed Jefferson. Yes, I can.
Who fucking cares? Rachel is still dead, and I want Nathan's punk ass. Now!
Me too. Let's go check out the dormitories.
Ja, aber wer sagt, dass sie wirklich tot ist? Sie haben ja gar nicht nachgeschaut.
Oh, Christ. Nathan just texted me. He says there won't be any evidence left after he's done.
Shit. We have to go to the junkyard right now.
Hey, kann doch nicht sein, oder?
Stomping around, Chloe.
Right. Just get ready to use your rewind fast if Nathan tries to jump us.
What the hell? Oh, for God's sake, Chloe, you have to be quiet. We could die, okay?
Okay.
hurry.
Rachel, I will get your revenge. I swear. Rachel. Rachel.
Schon
You're
noch
gonna suffer,
unheimlich.
Ethan. Max, please hurry. Oh God, Max, look. She's still there.
Don't look, Chloe.
Falls sie das überhaupt ist.
Oh, no.
Oh, Scheiße.
Chloe! Look out!
What the fuck?
Shit. Nee. Ein Headshot.
Chloe.
Shit. What? 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 Oh, krass. 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 Das hätte ich jetzt mal so überhaupt nicht erwartet. Krass. Den Blauheer. Okay. Also Leute, dann war's das wieder mal. Dann würde ich sagen, morgen oder vielleicht am Wochenende weiter. Ich wünsche euch, ne? Haut rein. Bis dann.